SCS first. Oo. Ayan guys, for today video ano po kami ni Briton, continue hanap ng bed hunting mattress. Ayan, SCS. Dito kami yan pupunta dyan. Ayan. So, ayan po yung for today video natin, vlog today. Maghanap lang si Briton ng parking space. Maraming available parking space, mister. Ay. Ayan. Oh, Humvees are closed.
Yeah?
Huh?
Closed down?
Talaga?
That's a big place inside, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So, ayan na guys. Ayan guys. Kami ni Briton. Hanap na naman kami ng bed. Mayroon yata. Mayroon. Yan. Magmarites muna si Briton. Oh. Bakit daw na-close? Anong reason? Bakit nag-close sila? Oh. Ay, wala. Bala ka daan. Marites ka dyan. Dito po kami bumili ng ng aming carpet last time. Or sa isang shop yata. SCS. Ay, dito. Keep clear. Ano? Oh dear, is closed as well.
I'm going to buy 15 sofas as well.
Oh, dito. I think they have somewhere here. You know, last time that we bought our carpet. Oh. Wala.
What's tappy? I don't know what that is.
Where did we put?
What's tappy?
Ewan ko kung anong tapi. It's not a pet shop.
No, Pets at Home is next to it.
Oh. Ewan ko.
Carpet.
Carpet something.
It's not. I've got to the range after this.
Punta na kami sa sa Dreams na naman. Sirado yung SCS. Ay nako. Malamig pa naman ang panahon. Maaraw kaso lang malamig. Ay nako, nilalamig ang aking
Sunny but cold.
Oo.
Aldi then.
Ha? They have Aldi?
Yeah.
Oh, may Aldi na pala dyan.
Might pop in there. Might need to go to the range. Need to get some butter.
It used to be Boots. At the Boots, we moved there, oh. Oh.
No, it used to be Argos.
Oo pala, Argos, no? Argos is Sainsbury now.
Argus.
Argos. Ayan, Dreams. Mahirap maghanap ng Oops, 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 oops.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Oy, sos, Mariosep.
Snoozy lose. Oh, they've got Benson's beds next door.
Oh. Ayan guys, oh. Diyan kami pupunta. Ano kayo ng Saan na ba yan?
60% for that.
Tapos, ayan. Hanap kayo. Ayan. Ang lamig. sales presenter now. Thank you so much again. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you too. Ayan, na bibigyan. We're done. Good job.
Oh, no. Get the box in there. Okay.
Yan, dyan po kami nakabili ng aming bed mattress. Finally. Nakahanap na. Gusto pa ni Briton bumalik ng ano ng range. Sabi ko hindi na. Bili na natin. Ayan. Luckily, the guy, the sales manager, they're quite good naman siya. So, they help us out naman. Hindi na ako na masyado nag-video doon kasi syempre nakakahiya, diba? Ayan, happy na sa bed. Ako happy. Ayan, paalis na po kami. Papunta na kami sa mom ni Briton.
He looks very familiar to me.
Yeah, it seems like I seen him before.
I think where it is then.
Yan guys, nasa bahay na kami after we visit Briton mom. Tapos nasa bahay na kami. We just got here, to be honest. Mga kaibigan, mga ano lang siguro, mga 3 minutes ago. So ayan, yung update ni Briton sa kanyang phone sa Valentine's Day at saka anniversary namin. Ngayon niya lang yata gagamitin to kasi he's been order some phone case online. So ngayon dumating po yung kanyang delivery ng phone case. So i-setting up niya na po yung kanyang new phone para magamit niya na po sa personal use niya. At saka may dissenting phone na din po siyang gagamitin. Kasi yung old phone niya po guys, nagpe-play up, hindi siya masyadong nagcha-charge. Kasi yung charger ba, yung cord niya, nagpe-play up, hindi siya madaling maglobat.
I'll put the SIM card in, haven't I?
Yeah. So, may dimensya na yung Briton ko. Nakalimutan niya maglagay yung SIM card niya. But you need to put all your info details first. Oo.
Yeah, I can copy them out for you.
Para matransfer yan lahat ng mga contact details dyan. May ano na po yan, may tempered glass na po yan. Yung phone case cover lang po yung binili niya sa online, sa eBay yata. So, dumating today, ayan, sinasorting out yan na. At saka, bumili din ako ng separate charger ng phone niyaan. So, ayan.
Oh, that's yours.
Yan lang yung update namin. All sorted. Bukas naman guys ay after work ni Briton, he's gonna take me to Specsavers. Or dalhin ko po yung prescription ng aking eyeglasses at saka contact lens. Ayan, so ito lang po guys, may share ko sa inyo yung mga kaganapan namin everyday ni Briton. So, iyan lang po guys, ma-share ko sa inyo. Thank you po sa lahat po nagsama sa aming. Dito ko na po i-end ang aming video guys. Thank you for watching. Kung bago lang po kayo napadaan, huwag kalimutan po mag-like, mag-share, comment, and also mag-subscribe.
It's only singles in this one.
And then, mag-hit po ng notification bell on para ma-notify po kayo sa aming mga bagong videos na upload po sa channel namin. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all. And once again, I need to end this video. Paalam muna. Bye!